Welcome to the world of precision engineering, where innovation meets craftsmanship. Today, we'll witness the marvels of 5-axis laser texturing as it transforms a simple toy car tire mold into a masterpiece of precision. We are Ambay Etching process. Behind these walls lies the heart of precision engineering. Precision is paramount. Each component is meticulously calibrated. Every alignment is double-checked, ensuring flawless execution of the laser texturing process. Behold, the canvas of precision. This toy car tire mold, with its intricate details and fine textures, awaits transformation through the power of advanced laser technology. Precision knows no compromise. Skilled technicians carefully inspect every inch of the textured surface, ensuring that each detail meets the uncompromising standards of excellence. And there you have it, the high point of art and technology. Through the mastery of 5-axis laser texturing, a simple toy car tire mold has been transformed into a masterpiece of precision and beauty. Precision engineering, where innovation knows no boundaries. Until next time, expose the beauty of precision. So for your next project, partner with 26 years of innovation. We are Ambay Etching process.